All right. It is another Washaholic Wednesday. I'm Mike Hinderliter, the Dean of Powerwash at Powerwash University. And today I'm in our new building that we've been moving a lot of inventory into and getting set up. You can see the racks going up behind me. We're going to store inventory. We've got it spread out all across the floor. Racks over there with all our product coming in. So we're still a bit unorganized in here, but we're getting ready. We got a grand opening coming March 22nd. I believe that's a Friday. So here at the Fort Worth location. And if you look behind me here, you'll notice that this wall is white, much whiter than this wall over here. It's 1968 when this building was built, so we're doing a little cleaning in here. But we're actually cleaning that with a product called Alpha Brown, and we're applying it with a Downstream Injector, which is probably cutting it about 20 to 1, so it's working really good. But one of the things I want to talk about is, as I bring up Downstream Injectors, is a Downstream Injector has to be used with the Powerwash unit. You cannot use it with the soft wash unit. I can't tell you how many times I get asked that question about wanting to use a Downstream Injector with a soft wash unit. You can't do that. The reason a Downstream Injector works is because it actually has high pressure that's created here. Even though you may be applying it under low pressure when it comes out the nozzle, there's high pressure that takes place here, and that's how it's able to create the draw. I won't go into all the details on it, other than you have to use it with a pressure washer. And real quickly, let me show you here that on a soft wash unit, you have a diaphragm pump. Normally a diaphragm pump, and you're using a diaphragm pump because you're using strong chemicals and stuff, it won't go through the power washer without damaging the pressure washer. The pump on the pressure washer. That's why you do that. So if you're running low pressure into that Downstream Injector, it's not going to work because you need high pressure in it to work. So at any rate, remember, you can't use a Downstream Injector with your soft wash system, or X-Jet is basically the same thing as a Downstream Injector. You can't do that either. So another common question I get, those two things do not work with a soft wash system. So that's a tip for today. Don't use a Downstream Injector with a soft wash system. I'm Mike Hinderliter, the Dean of Powerwash at Powerwash University, and we'll see you next Wednesday.